Okay, that was kind of a trick to get out of there. It was in there pretty tight. Alright, there's no way I would have been able to film that. So we're going to kind of take these off here. Yeah, the only camera I have is my cell phone, so I'm gonna pause. Oh yeah, it's a nice looking case. Let's turn this around so we can see it. It flips up. Leave that on. So nice. All right, pause this again. Motherboard. This box has got like, it's like got a weird texture to it. See what's in here. Oh yeah. Cables. I believe these are the extra panels. Antenna, wireless card, which I probably won't use. A wireless card? What is that weird thing on there? That's weird. See that? Looks like a little M.2 drive. Put all this stuff back. Now, put this all together. There we go. Don't really need to unbox the power supply. I'm going to unbox this beast of a cooler here. Where's my knife? Let's see if I can work in an edge here. It's kind of hard to do this one-handed. I don't know why all the guys have an extra camera guy. I'm just doing this for, I don't know, just to do it. Times like this only come around like once every 4 or 5 years. Throw this away. It's I wish I had a tripod for my phone. There we go. Got a manual. NZXT makes pretty good hardware. My old case is an NZXT case. Oh, I got some fans, which I'm not going to use. Those don't look like they're very high static pressure. They kind of look kind of more airflow fans. Got some mounting hardware.